How to install the Brompton Superlight quick release pedals on a A, C or P-line bike. Before fitting the new pedals, clean the crank thread with a rag. Apply grease to the thread of the pedal and the pedal mount. Install the supplied washer to the pedal and the pedal mount. Thread the pedals onto the cranks at a 90-degree angle. If there is resistance, remove and try again. Starting by hand, turn the pedal axle clockwise. Taking over with the 6mm hex key, tighten firmly. Lift the non-drive side crank to face horizontally forward. Screw the quick release pedal mount in anti-clockwise, tightening firmly with an 8mm hex key. To install the pedal holder on the A and C line, remove the barrel nut using a 5mm hex key. Remove the barrel nut only, ensuring to transfer the washer to the pedal holder barrel nut. Screw this new stack into the back of the caliper thread, then tighten with the 6mm hex key.